Okay, this is Sprite Illuminator. Sorry for the voice, I've got a bad cold. As you can see, we've applied a bevel to the main character out of the Reversion Bureau, and we're getting some pretty realistic results. Here's security guard. So these are all shot in 2D against a green screen, but it's very much a flat image. So by using this Sprite Illuminator, it creates this bevel shape, and then generates normal maps. So here we've loaded the trooper when he's jumping. Now what this means is we can use coloured lighting in the game and then have that affect the sprites, 2D sprites, in a more realistic 3D way, rather than just paint them over the top and just hope that some blanket lighting will take over just because of the transparency. Now we can apply lighting using a shader. As you can see here, this is what the bevel looks like. So there you go. So it's generated a bevel of the sprite. Very rudimentary, but as you can see, look at the results. Just imagine that's like a machine gun fire or something like that. You'll get the lighting in the right place. That looks pretty cool. So by having this, so we can have any environmental lights and render them in the scene, and then the sprite will look a lot more realistic. As you can see here, this guy here is too flat. The colours are too flat. So we're going to use the bevel, and I think actually this is probably a little bit too extreme, but you can adjust how the bevel works. So see there, we're just adjusting the amount, the height of the height map that it's generated from the 2D sprite. This is really clever. This is good job, Code and Web. This is really good. So here you can change the colour of the light in here, so we can simulate what it would look like if you're like over some fire or something like that. You can see the difference that it makes. Just lighting it from the front and not from the back, it adds this. It really puts the sprite into the scene. We'll have to see how easy this is to implement inside the game engine, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to be really good and it's going to give some nice effects. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know. Code and Web, Sprite Illuminator.